welcome to another Ask a Chiropractor video. I'm Dr. Jeff Stout from the Stout Chiropractic Clinic, and today's question is, can I get adjusted if I'm pregnant? And that's a good question because there are a lot of aches and pains and changes that occur during pregnancy. And some of the most common aches and pains that we see are headaches, either they're hormonal or tension headaches, heartburn due to increasing abdominal pressure, cramps, leg cramps especially, lower back pain being due to increased postural stress and weight gain, something called round ligament pain, which is a big ligament that supports the uterus. That can show itself as lower abdominal and groin pain. Carpal tunnel syndrome and carpal tunnel pain due to hormonal and inflammatory changes that make that area vulnerable. And sciatica, which is posterior leg pain that is due to increased pressure on sacral and lumbar plexus nerves. Most of these symptoms are temporary, but one thing you want to try to avoid is, as much as possible, is putting medications and drugs into your body that can affect your developing baby. And what we offer are safe, gentle, non-invasive chiropractic adjustments with special equipment and techniques that are designed for pregnancy. I've been in practice for 34 years, and so I've seen my share of pregnant patients, as well as my associate, Dr. Robert Beekner, has worked with pregnant patients as well. The other thing we offer is prenatal massage therapy. We offer counseling and demonstrations on proper exercises, stretches, and techniques to accomplish your daily household chores with better efficiency and less stress on your body. We also have access to a variety of supports and pillows and high-quality nutritional supplements to make your pregnancy as comfortable as possible and as easy as possible. If you have more specific questions about the care here during pregnancy, please schedule a complimentary consult so a doctor can answer your questions one-on-one. Thanks for the good question, and we ask you to please like, comment, or share this video on Facebook with your friends. If you do that, this month until May 15th, when we have the drawing, we are entering everybody that does that into a contest to win a complimentary box of Orthomolecular Premier Pack, which is a $45 value, and these are daily packets of complete nutritional support. So keep sending those questions and be on the lookout for another Ask a Chiropractor video.